What up guys, it is just the Latitude back here with another video today. Today we are installing MFC Offroad strut clamps. They're performance strut clamps which just got released. They are $75 for the clamps, and it comes with these spacers here, 2 aluminum spacers, black coated. It comes with their hardware and such. So as you can see, it looks like this, and so I will be taking you through kind of how to install it. It did not come with instructions. I talked to Jesse, and you know, they're a little behind, so I figured I'd do a little instructional video. So the first thing you want to do here is you want to take off these little covers here that are on top of the strut clamp, so you see the whole the clamp right now. Right now it's just a little plastic piece. So you take off both of those, just set them down right there, and get the other one right here. So take that off. Now what he said was you use a little flathead screwdriver, so something like this guy, and we're gonna take this and we're just gonna pry that guy off. So you can see here. Now eventually you'll kind of see that these just kind of pop off like so, and you'll take these old guys. My recommendation is you keep them just in case, you know, something goes wrong, but I will probably just throw these away. I trust MFC enough. They're a great company. So these are kind of crappy. I'm not sure why Mopar would use plastic to hold these up, but you know, probably save some money. But glad MFC came out with this product. So now, as you see here, you'll have kind of 2 dots. You'll have one on the top, one on the bottom where the screws will go, and you want to line them so you have 2 holes here that you will line the screws up with. The one that's below has the longer screw, and the one on the top will have a shorter screw, and so you will connect them together around the strut kind of like this, and then you'll screw them down. So I will show you that if I can record this. So you can kind of see I have I started one of the bolts in. If you look in very close, this one right here is the shorter bolt. Once you get that threaded, make sure it's lined up to a spot where there's no hole, obviously, so that's where the screw goes in. And then the second hole right below where that no spot is, so right there, is where your longer screw will go. And so right now it's pretty loose, but once you get both of them on, it will start to close in. And yeah, so I will finish up wrapping it up and kind of show you what it looks like at the end here. So there's the finished product, all the screws in and stuff. You kind of will see there is a little gap. It is on very tight. It's not, I can't move it at all. So I think it is good. I will check with MFC on that, but everything should check out fine. Pretty easy install. Took probably overall less than 20 minutes, honestly. It's the same on both sides, very tight. So if you like this, give me a thumbs up, comment on it, let me know what you think about this. I think it's a great product. MFC is coming out with a lot of great stuff. So there's another video. I will be heading up to Flagpole Knob, and so I'll get you guys some more footage there. But have a great New Year's, and make sure to subscribe. Peace.